In this video, you will learn how to block pop-up ads in Chrome web browser on your iPhone. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to block pop-up ads in Chrome web browser. In order to block pop-up ads in Chrome web browser, let's open Chrome browser first, and after that, we have to just tap on this three dot icon that you see here in the bottom right corner. When you tap on that, here you get various options, and among these options, you have to select settings. So that will take us to Google Chrome web browser settings on iPhone. Now we have to just scroll a bit and we will see the option for content settings. Then next you have to tap on that, and there you will find the option for blocking pop-ups. Currently you can see it is off by default, so we will tap on it and then toggle it on. So when you toggle it on next to block pop-ups option, this will simply start blocking pop-up ads and other pop-ups as well on your Chrome web browser. But before you go back, you have to ensure that you have saved the changes that you have just made. For that, simply tap done, and this will save the settings and start blocking pop-ups on Chrome browser in iPhone. So this is how you can start blocking pop-up ads in Chrome web browser on iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to turn on safe search mode in Chrome web browser, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.